Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. Let's talk about the crown. The crown is that circular area towards the back of the head that often develops in genetic hair loss or androgenic hair loss. People often will say, I didn't even know it was an issue until someone took a picture or there was an overhead camera, but the crown is that area in the back. We're talking about Norwood 4, 5, 6. Those are guys that have the circular area in the back. Certainly, there's preventative treatments that can help with that. So if you start noticing it's going or getting thin, things like DHT blockers, finasteride, dutasteride, minoxidil or Rogaine, and now with exosomes, although it's not FDA approved, I've seen great results with exosomes, which are basically the products of stem cells that you would inject. Also, a hair transplant is a very good sort of permanent solution for hair loss in the crown. It's very important to go to a doctor that understands the artistry, the angles and directions that a natural crown would have so it looks natural. Call us here at Natural Transplants. I could talk hours about crowns. I love doing crowns and the artistry that goes along with that. 844-327-4247. Hope to hear from you soon.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.